We're back with 4 awesome discoveries you probably didn't hear about this week.
Here's a quick imitation of a robot's gentle grasp. But engineers have now designed an electronic glove that gives a robot hand some of the manual dexterity of a human hand. Sensors in the glove's fingertips simultaneously measure the intensity and direction of pressure. The glove also imitates the way layers of human skin work together to give our hands their extraordinary sensitivity. This technology could have applications in repetitive tasks and robot-assisted surgery. But the ultimate goal is giving robots the sort of sensing capabilities we take for granted.
New types of microbes discovered in the Gulf of California gobble up greenhouse gases for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and could one day gobble up oil spills. Scientists say many of the species discovered in extremely hot deep-sea sediments are so genetically different they represent new branches in the tree of life. They use hydrocarbons such as methane to grow and may be reducing what ends up in the atmosphere. The microbes were collected using Alvin, the only deep-diving research sub that carries humans. And congrats to Alvin for reaching a major milestone, 5,000 dives.
Are you losing sleep because you're angry? Or are you angry because you're losing sleep? New research links losing even a few hours of sleep with more intense feelings of anger towards everyday frustrations. Study participants who cut their sleep to about 4.5 hours for 2 nights were much more likely than others to report anger when exposed to annoying noises. The study also suggests that people's sense of sleepiness may indicate whether they're likely to become angry. The researchers are now testing whether sleep loss causes aggressive behavior. There's a reason why nap rhymes with hap. P.
New research shows drones work well for monitoring large marine species such as sharks, rays, and sea turtles, especially in shallow water. The study field tested drones in multiple sites around Great Abaco Island in the Bahamas. In all cases, the drones allowed scientists to accurately identify and count marine megafauna and to assess environmental factors. These surveys provided baseline data for newly protected parks and show that drones are a reliable tool for marine conservation as well as research.
And there you go. See you next time with 4 more awesome discoveries with funding from NSF.